Hi guys, so I am back with another project share, and this is the first project share that I have as part of the design team for Seneca Pond Crafts on Etsy. And I am thrilled and over the moon to be part of a design team because I love all of her kits. And I wanted to just do a little project because I need something on my Etsy shop. I only have one journal up there, so I'm working right now on two full-fledged journals at the moment, but I needed a little project, and I chose this kit is called Butterfly Secrets, and it's beautiful, perfect for the springtime. I can't wait for spring already. I am so sick and tired of the cold. It's a soft cover journal. I think it's 6 by 8.5, and what I've done here is I've glossy accented some of the flowers from the image and the butterfly. I have this applique here, and then I've used some, this is like this trim here, and I've just used it here and made like the little corner, and I put a little bling there. A lot of stitching around for the spine. I have some pom-pom trims, and I ran that vine there. I have this little dangly butterfly there off the spine, and then the back looks like this, and the same thing with the corners. It's got sari silk ribbon for the closure, and let's get right inside. This kit is beautiful, very colorful, perfect for springtime. Excuse me. So in the front I have an acetate pocket, and I have some pearls, some pearl trim here, and look at the paper. Isn't it gorgeous? I love it. And then I have a tag here, and I have a little cameo with a butterfly and a little bow and some seam binding. I've distressed it with the colors of the collection, which is like sky blue, like a lavender, and a pink. So that goes in there. And then all of the tags are backed with coffee dyed paper and have been stitched. So that is that one. Excuse me, I got a frog in my throat. And this one says Beyond My Dreams. So that is beautiful. I love it. So that is the front cover. It's been stitched. Here I use one of her tags as a pocket, and I just have a bow pin there with a little butterfly charm. And then I have a big tag here. Isn't that gorgeous? Perfect for summer and spring. It's beautiful. And then I have just a few, little bit of, crochet trim that I've stitched along the edge. Beautiful paper. I took and Mod Podged a glassine bag, and then I have a butterfly here laying on some lace and some fibers, and it says Own Your Dreams. This is I printed out of my computer. And then here I made a tag with one of her images, and I made a die cut butterfly that I use as a pull tab, and that also is backed with coffee dye paper and stitched all around. Gorgeous. So that goes in there. This is a little for an envelope that I've included in there, and this is a flip down. little butterfly with some doily, paper doily and fibers. Some Edith Holden paper, pocket from her collection. And this is a tag from her collection, stitched and coffeed, backed with coffee dye paper. And this is tracing paper that I've just glimmer misted. More Edith Holden. This is a tag from the collection. Isn't that pretty? And I just made a little envelope here, and I shrunk one of her tags to go into this little envelope that I made. And this also has a little journaling card in there that you can use. I put a little tiny flower there and the word dream, a little bit of lace here, a little bit more of crochet trim, another one of her pockets, and another one of her images I shrunk down to make a tag that's been stitched around. I did a lot of stitching. Edith Holden. I did a little bit of stenciling here. So lots of place for journaling. Music sheet. Paper, so pretty. Another pocket, another one of her images I shrunk down. This is also part of her collection. It's like a coin envelope. And I made a bookmark. And it is also a pocket because I only glued 2 sides. And that's another one of her tags. You can journal on it because it has lines. And all the tags have seam binding. More tags. Look at how beautiful these tags are. Wonderful time, happy time, it says on this pocket. I made another little envelope here, and I just backed it with eyelash trim, a little bit of lace, and a little flower with a little tag that goes in it. And another tag, live in the moment, that I just shrunk to fit in the envelope. Some fibers. More tracing paper I glimmer misted. Edith Holden. And then I left on this one the strings, and I just put 2 little butterflies there. And these are like, they're like resin. More glimmer misted tracing paper. I seen Jibbit make these envelopes. And I kind of went by, well, she didn't show making them, but she showed a video on how, you know, some that she had made. So I kind of tried it, tried to make one. So it's just tracing paper over book page, and this is my version. I just put some lace stitched all around it and used you know, one of her images that I blew up to print on the tracing paper. And then inside I just have some of her bingo cards, but you can put whatever you want in there. And these are her bingo cards. Aren't they just beautiful? And I just distressed it in the back. And they go in there, and they close with a little Velcro tab right there, and that goes in there. And this is a flip down. A little bit more stenciling and more crochet trim. And here's another tag, and this is the full size tag. live in the moment. And here is another one of her tags that I shrunk, The Wonder of You, it says. And I just put some fibers. And this one also has the little journaling card in, and it says stay curious, and it has some lace down there. This is another glassine bag that I decoupaged. What I did with this is I took tissue paper and I printed on the tissue paper, and then I decoupaged it onto the glassine bag, and then it has, I just put some crochet trim down here, and this image has a butterfly. See a butterfly? And I cut it a butterfly, put a pearl and some eyelash trim there, and then I just made another tag there and used another butterfly to use as a tab, pull tab, and that goes right in there. More music sheet or sheet music, and then these two tags, beautiful. These are the full size tags. Butterfly, share with me, do the soft silken secrets of flying like you. That's pretty. And then this is another pocket that comes in the kit, and then another journaling tag. And this is a flip up or flip down, and I made another one of the envelopes, and I put some crochet with a Velcro tab, and I just put some bingo cards in here again, and this is also Seneca Ponds. You could put whatever you want in there as well. And these envelopes I love because they feel puffy, so if you're like me, I like to feel, and they just feel so nice. Edith Holden. A little bit of stenciling there. Another pocket. Look at how beautiful butterfly kisses. I'm telling you, this collection is just so pretty. More Edith Holden, more tracing paper, a little bit more crochet trim, graph. And then this is the same coin envelope that I previously showed you, but I shrunk it, and then I used one of the tags, made that. And you can also tuck something behind if you want to. Excuse me, I'm losing my voice. And then I have another little envelope here. It has a little tag in there. It says life is good, with more I have Sorry Silken behind, and then I have some lace and stuff, and this is one of the tags I shrunk as well to go in it. And this is another flip down. And this is another fern letter, glimmer misted. You can open it up and write, and then close it right back up. And then this is the back of it. Beautiful. And it is pretty chunky. And then here is the back. And this is a poofy one, so it's got tracing papers sandwiched in between. So that is a very chunky. See how chunky it is? Very chunky, one signature, beautiful journal. And this is listed on my Etsy if you are interested. And I'm going to have the link to Eileen's shop, which is Seneca Pond Craft on Etsy. And I hope you go and check her out. She has beautiful, beautiful kits Oh my gosh, they're so beautiful. So be sure to stop in and check her out, and I will be coming back once I am done with the 2 journals I am working on at the moment. And I hope you guys are doing great. And thank you so much for watching and for your support, guys. Alright, I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.